Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the Mac can reach the remote machine. Check Wi-Fi or wired network and the remote IP or host name. Next, install and open Microsoft Remote Desktop from the App Store. This client handles RDP sessions securely. While the app loads, collect the remote username, password, domain, and any multi-factor steps, plus VPN details if required. Once done, you'll be ready to add the first connection in the app and move to detailed settings. Now add a new desktop entry. Click the plus sign, type the PC name or IP address, and give it a clear display name so you can find it quickly. Choose or create a user account, saving credentials speeds reconnection, but select Ask when required for shared Macs. Make sure display resolution, audio redirection, and clipboard options match your needs, and configure an RD gateway if the host is behind a firewall. These choices control performance and security, so confirm certificate prompts before connecting. Double-click your saved desktop to start the session and accept any certificate warning only if it matches the expected host. This protects you from man-in-the-middle risks. Choose full screen for immersive work or windowed mode to multitask, and use clipboard or folder redirection for file moves. If the connection fails, check the host has remote desktop enabled, confirm the IP or host name, ensure any VPN is active, and inspect firewall or router port forwarding. This single verification step fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.